Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Buick Enclave. Stock number is A7769. Starting right away, up front you have factory fog lamps and a waterfall chrome grille. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row bucket and third row bench seating. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors and a camera. And this Enclave is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, Bluetooth, and heated steering wheel controls are all mounted to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Enclave on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.